It's no more a secret that the brilliant build quality and the respect for Android updates has what got Nokia back to the competition. Around few months back, Nokia released a brilliant budget smartphone, and this in particular is my complete review of the Nokia 6.1 Plus. Talking about the design, without fail, every person who has picked up the Nokia 6.1 Plus has virtually said the same thing. It feels so elegant and premium. That's exactly what made me shift to the Nokia 6.1 Plus as my daily driver. This is a gorgeous phone that brings elegance in design and superior build quality to the budget league. Upfront, the device looks like any other smartphone that we saw in 2018. The regular notch that holds the front-facing camera and a speaker. Although the notch is pretty small, unlike the Pixel or the Poco phone. On the rear side, the device is majorly built with glass, which means you have to put up with the annoying fingerprint smudges, which is the only drawback I see in terms of design. There is an aluminum casing running all along the edges with number of micro moldings, which offers amazing grip and handling experience. All the buttons are perfectly placed on the right side, and considering that the device is only 5.8 inches, it is perfect for one-hand use. The back panel is also prone to scratches, so I would better suggest you to choose the gloss white or the gloss midnight blue, as they are better at hiding these scratches. On the rear, you have the camera and fingerprint modules aligned in the center. There is a thin chrome lining which goes around these modules, shows how much effort Nokia has invested on the design aspects. All in all, the design is brilliant. The next impressive aspect of the 6.1 Plus is the display. The device sports a full HD 5.8 inches LCD display that has great viewing angles and perfectly calibrated colors. The display on the 6.1 Plus is the closest to something that I liked after the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. Overall, I don't have anything to complain about the display. It's just perfect for the price tag it's playing in. Under the hood, the device is powered by Snapdragon 636 processor and 4GB of RAM. The combination of stock Android and powerful hardware tends to deliver high performance and maintains a consistent user experience. The animations were fast and fluid. The smartphone managed to launch apps with a decent launch time without any hiccups. To be very truthful, it's a smartphone for productive users and not for hardcore gamers. One major drawback is that graphically intense games such as the Asphalt 9 or the PUBG by default sets the graphics settings to low, by which we can conclude that the 6.1 Plus is not for gamers, but it has everything to offer for productive users. Okay, until now I didn't have much to complain about, but I must say that the camera on the 6.1 Plus is very average. Although under proper daylight, the pictures taken were with proper colors and contrast, but the camera needs a lot of improvement. I felt that the Moto One Power and definitely the Mi A2, both of these smartphones gets a win over the 6.1 Plus camera. The device offers a rare dual camera setup with 16MP f2.0 aperture and a monochrome lens that offers 5MP with f2.4 aperture. The daylight shots were good but not great. The low light shots were super bad, sometimes blurry and there's a lot of noise. But still, keeping all this aside, I must appreciate the front camera. It is a 16MP sensor which offers great portrait shots with smooth and perfect edge detection. The front camera can take brilliant selfies, and considering that it's a single sensor, still the bokeh effects works extremely good. The stock Android is everything about elegance and user experience. Especially with the Android P updates, the phone's experience has just elevated. The device supports face recognition, but it's undeniably slow. The Nokia 6.1 Plus is under the wings of the Android One program, which means there is a guaranteed major Android updates for 2 years. The Nokia 6.1 Plus brings so much elegance to the smartphone league. Cut short, the 6.1 Plus is all about reliable performance and seamless Android experience. And this device could probably be one of the best budget smartphones of 2018. Anyways, Thanks for watching. Used to lead right sector, asked to lead this life.